What's up, foodies? Welcome back to Tamara Recipes. So today let's make the shelly flavorful Jamaican green gungo rice and peas. So if you're new to the channel, welcome to Tamara Recipes, and if you are a returning subscriber, bless up yourself straight. So here I have my frozen green peas. Now I'm gonna shell my gungo, as Jamaicans would say, because it's fresh gungo. So, and then I put it in the freezer until I'm ready to use it. Alright, so I add it into a pot after I'll give it a good wash with some water. Now you have to sink your peas so that your peas can cook evenly. So before doing all of that, we're gonna add some fresh seasoning, because you know what flavor we say throughout the cooking. Alright, so I'm also gonna add a little salt just to flavor my peas as it cooks. Alright guys, so when I sink your peas, it cooks evenly, as I mentioned in most of my rice and peas videos. Alright, so cover and let it cook, and then I return. Alright, now my gungo fully cooked, so now I'm gonna add some very rich coconut milk. Now I'm using the fresh coconut. If you like, you can use a can or the pack. Alright guys, so either way, still rice and peas you eat and still gonna taste good. Alright, so let's add some more fresh seasoning, because the more seasoning the better. Alright, so I have some blended green seasoning that I'm also gonna add to my rice and peas. It is optional, but it will give your rice that nice flavor. Yes, so why not add it? Alright, so scallion, onion, garlic, some chopped onion as well, some scotch bonnet pepper, piece of butter, some pimento seeds. Those are my fresh seasoning of choice. Alright, so when it boils for about 10 minutes, just to bring all the flavors together, I'm adding some parboiled rice. Now you can add the rice of your choice, but bear in mind that the liquid varies to the amount of rice or the type of rice. Alright, so you know, the parboiled rice take a longer time to cook than the white rice, so you know you have to add more liquid. Alright guys, so just give it a nice little mix. Ensure that it's fully mixed, because you know you want your rice to fully cooked. You don't want some part cook and some part not cook. Alright, so give it a nice mix. Ensure that it has enough liquid to cook it. Like for me, I let it be like an inch or inch and a half above the level of the rice. Alright, so rice done cook. He cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna remove all of that natural seasoning, and then I fluff it up, and yeah, show you the end product. Now this is a very short video, but I hope it was useful, and if it was, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share the video, tell others about Tamara Recipes. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Take care guys, and bless up on yourself straight.